Hello there, how's it going? Alright, in today's video I will show you my little Golang project. It's a side project just to sharpen my Golang skills, and I'm doing this video just to improve my English, just to train it and test and also test my recording setup, my Bluetooth microphone right here. And as you can see, I'm using new Vim, more specifically lazy Vim, and yeah, and I'm using Arch Linux, by the way. It's not, I changed the icon here, but it's still Arch Linux. So, okay, let's go. This project has a lot of folders and files that I didn't deleted yet because I still developing it. It's still my machine, okay? I didn't commit it. And I'll try to finish my one sec. Okay, I'm back. I didn't know where I stopped, but I'm trying to finish my integration test environment here. I think I already completed it, and I will test right now. I'm using test containers with migrations. As you can see, I created some migrations here. It's a short URL table, which I save link, name, created that, updated that, and I created to an idempotency key. And I think it's okay. I almost forgot the. I think this is wrong because I duplicated my migration and I'm not changed it yet. So I'll fix it right now. Okay. So I have this short URL table. It's just the basic thing, and I will have a link, a name, a idempotency key, and expires at, and that's it. It's just simple in this beginning. I will try to over-engineering it in future. So I created before a folder named internal. I think I will use it, but I inside the internal folder I created a shortener folder, which is all of the logic right here. But I changed it. I moved this folder to another path. So I will delete it soon. This short URL package it's a definition of what is the short URL in the system. So I created a type named ID, which is an, a simple UID. I created a function named new ID just to create this ID because if I need to change it in the future, I don't know why, I can change in only one place. And I created a function to convert the UID to a string object just to use in automated tests. And I also created an ID underscore test file, which is which has two tests. Should create a new short URL ID and should create a new ID. I think I will remove this test because it's useless. It's I don't know. I'll think about it. So I'm also creating a idempotency key, which is the same thing of ID, but it's an idempotency. And I'm also creating a test for it. This test right here is unit tests. And okay, I think that's it. That's it. I created a simple repository, which is only, this file has only types. I created a services.go, but I didn't create anything on it. I just made a little create function. It doesn't have anything in it, and the same is the service test. I will place the domain logic here. I speak in the wrong way, and this is the short URL file, which defines what a short URL is, and I think that's it for now. In this Postgres folder, I created a repository, which is the functions that access the database, which is select, insert, delete, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And as you can see, I created only the select function. I didn't create the insert function yet. I will finish my oh shit. I will finish my test setup right here just to see how it works, and after that I will continue creating the insert function. So I'll stop it right here. I'm splitting the logic because I before I created only all of it in only one function, which is it's hard to maintain in the future. So I stop it right here in setup database. I will pass a pointer testing.t and what else? Oh, I need my context right here. I read that it's a good thing. It's a good thing to pass the context uh, parameter in the first parameter of the function. So it's a Golang convention. Mm, I'll return the instance. Okay, I'll pass the Postgres container right here. The Postgres container is a TC. The Postgres container is a pointer. So as you can see, I have uh, package name conflicting right now. I don't know if this is a problem in production Golang code. I will search that. I will I will find an answer soon, as soon as possible, just to organize these imports right here. And okay, the Postgres container is a pointer of dc underscore Postgres dot Postgres container. Okay, let's go. So is a dc Postgres container. Nice. and I will return. Um, I will return. I don't know if I. Okay, I will return the pointer of SQLDB. There was an error, which is only return the instance. Okay, I will pass the instance in the setup migrations function, and that's it. I think I'll create another function named setup container, and I will do the same thing. I will pass the container, the testing. Oh, I don't know if I. Oh, okay. I will pass all of it. Hmm. I'll create the context right here, and I know I don't need to pass in the parameter. Okay, that's it. I think I will return the return Postgres container right here, which is pointer. Okay, so I can call it right now. I need to create the context outside the application because I will use it in other functions. I don't want to return this in the setup container function. Okay. Oh, oops, I made a mistake here. So I speak aloud because I'm excited right now. Context and T. And this function will receive the Postgres container, and in this Postgres container I will use it here, Postgres container, and I'll return the instance, which I will use in the setup migrations function. Oh shit, I made it wrong. Context testing instance. Okay. Let's see if it's still working. Hmm. I think, yeah, I think I did a wrong thing right here. No such container. Oh, cannot get connection string. Let's connection string. Oh, setup database. Postgres container. Yeah, I think I knew what I done wrong. Okay. I don't know if it's the. Oh shit, I made it wrong. Mm, I'm not using AI here because I don't want to use AI here. That's it. I'm coding my side project just just like the old days. I'll be back soon. So I'm back. Let's finish this right now. So right here, okay, I'm trying to execute my test and I'm getting an error. This error is it's new to me because I executed the test. Oh shit. I executed this right here before I made this video and it worked. But it's only in the single it was in in a single file, so I split it out and I think oh I'm I can just I can make a video about it. So I started the video, split out the code, and I get this error. Okay, let's go. Hmm, debugging pose. It's right. It's this. This is a debugging pose. Hmm. Cannot use Postgres container variable of type pointer GitHub test container. Let's GitHub. No. Okay. A return statement. I okay. So cannot get string connection string. This is the original error. Why I can't get the connection string? Set up database, connection string error. Hmm. If I try to only return this in the setup container and pass the connection string right here as a string and return the connection string. Of course, I need to fix my return type here, and I think it's okay. It's not Postgres container, it's connection string. Okay, good. I'll save this. Let's see if something changed. Okay, cannot get migration instance. Dire TCP or connection refused. Okay, I think it's something with the pointers I'm passing in the argument, in the parameter of this function. Hmm, what am I doing wrong right here? Hmm. SQLDB, okay. A pointer. If I didn't test it yet. I can't print something in the test function. I don't know yet. Instance print printf. Maybe I can instance. Okay. I think this is the problem. Wait. Okay. This is the connection string. Let's see what it is. If I do this, the test will not compile, so it can run anyway. Yeah. I don't know if this. Man, I'm having a bad time right now. I usually work with PHP and JavaScript, and I don't have this problem. So it's a new thing to me. Okay, I will just search like the old days without AI. Mm, Golang passing pointers and parameters, function parameters. Oh shit, I turned off my internet. Wait a sec. Okay. Oh shit, my Go programming language allow you to pass a pointer to a function. To do so, simply declare the function parameter as a pointer type. In the following example, we pass two pointers to a function and change the value inside the function which reflects back in the calling function. Local variable definition for swap, calling a function to swap the values. Reference A indicates pointer to a I don't know what is EA. Maybe I need to call the I don't need to do this because it is already a pointer. It's already a it's not a primitive value to pass a reference like this. Can I use instance to return set migrations? Okay. What the hell am I doing wrong right here? Okay, line 77. 77 cannot get migration instance. Okay, so the migrate Postgres is trying to connect to the instance, which is my local host. It's a test container. It's a Golang. It's a Postgres test container. And in line 77, Golang tried to connect to the container with this port, which is the right port. So the code, the function can read the instance value. So if not, the port will not be here, would not be here. Cannot get migration. Maybe it's the, oh shit, I know what it is. It's the differ function. Oh shit. Okay, I need to create this Postgres container before I need to call the functions inside the setup container, I think. I think this is a good way to solve this problem, but I will try this. Okay, connection string. I don't need to return this. Setup container. Missing return. I don't think so. Okay. There's no more errors in this file. That's it. That's the differ. Oh shit. That's awful. What a shame. What a shame. I I'm humiliated by the differ function. It's not a function, it's a statement of the Golang. But you understand me. You understood me. Okay, setup container. Mm, what I need to do right now? I have this database SQL. Is it duplicated? Okay, is the interfaces struct repository. Okay, I need to pass the context and the name. Okay, let's do this. Last today I will only test if the select function will work. And as you can see, I don't think you're seeing it, but it's 11 p.m. It's almost midnight and I need to sleep. And I'll try to run the SQL query. It will fail because I didn't create anything in this test container database. I only run the migrations, and tomorrow I will try to advance to finish this test. So let's do this. Select. I don't know. Okay, where I'm using Postgres, my internal Postgres. Okay, right here. Internal Postgres. I think I will name it like this. Internal Postgres. I don't think this is the right way to do this because I have a lot of conflicting package names. I have three package named Postgres. I need to rename it. I don't think that's the correct way to do this, but it will be. I will let there just in this beginning. Where is again? Okay, right here. Maybe there's another place. Okay, that's not another place using. So I can right now. Oh shit. Short url.postgres and select by name. I don't know. Select. Mm, it's not right. Go list. I don't need to import this because it's the same package. Select Postgres. Man, I don't. I'm having a hard time right now. It's a simple thing. It's not a hard thing. It's not a complex concept. It's only Golang packages. It's not managing concurrency. It's not caching. It's not databases. I don't know, database indexes. It's only Golang packages. Internal info. But I have in this. Okay, let's. Why I have this with username with import cycle is not allowed in test. Oh, maybe I can rename it Postgres underscore test. Okay, I think it might be work. Repository. I don't know. Select by name. Select by name. Select by name. Why it's not? Okay, it's a repository. Okay, I see it. Postgres.repository. Repo dot select by name. Yeah, that's it. Context and name. This is the name of the URL. I didn't create it because it's a test container. I will try to insert something before this. I don't know. Ghoul. In this repository, I need to pass the DB, which is the SQL instance. I will get it from here. I need to return the instance. It's It's a pointer sql.db and instance. Okay, I think this is work right now. Instance. Oh shit, I spelled it wrong. I spelled it. Okay, missing comma. The return value of REPL set by name is not checked. Okay, I don't need to check this right now. I only need to see if okay it executed. So oh shit. Hmm, short URL and error. If error is not new, so I will I will do an error f cannot get URL by name. Instead got I don't know error. If short URL is equals an empty string. Oh, empty short URL. Maybe try to insert before. There's not error here. Let's see if the test will fail. Okay, cannot get URL by name. Instead got DIOTSP connection refuse connect. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh shit, the defer function. My gosh. I'll try to put this defer function in another place. I will put this as the main test function. That's it. Okay, I will return the instance and the Postgres container, which is a oh shit, which is a tc dot underscore Postgres container. I'll delete this. Postgres container. I don't know if this is the right way to do this. What was that? Hmm. What am I doing wrong here? Because I need to oh, that's not a parenthesis on it. It's only this variable is not defined, doesn't exist. Mm -hmm. Column expires at does not exist position. What the hell is that? column expires that does not exist as per. Shit. Maybe I need to. I don't know. I will let the error F right here. Database migrations, URL expiration. Oh my gosh. It's not a drop column. I made it wrong right here. I don't know if this is will work because timestamp with default time zone now. Okay, let's try it. Let's try this. Rows are closed. Okay. Rows are closed. What the hell does this even mean? Rows are closed. Maybe this is the. Maybe don't have any rows in it. Row dot close. I don't know. I think I didn't do that. I don't need to do that right now. So let's see if I can insert something just to. Okay, defer function, repository. Insert new. Insert. It's only insert. Oh, I will need to create. I'll need to pass the parameters. I'll try to insert some fixed data just to try it. Insert context context. Okay, let's insert into short URLs. I'll insert the name, insert the ID, the name, the link. Potency key. That's it. Values. I don't know if this is the right way to do it because I made this before in this old service. No, it's in the old handler. Why? What the hell? $1, $2, $3, $4. Okay. $1, $2, $3, $4. Name, some name, link, https, google.com, idempotency key on 3, KWE. What the hell? Oh shit, I will create a new ID right here. ID. Okay. So I will insert a fake link just to know if the error, if I can solve this error. Cannot get URL by name. Okay, I didn't pass the correct some name. Let's see if it works right now. Roles are closed. What the hell does this mean? Roles are closed. I don't know. Roles are closed. That's a big problem. Let's see the my old implementation just to see if infra connection http main.go. This is my old implementation I created before, just to see if it works. Hmm. Defer result not close. Okay, I need to do this before the next. Let's see if there's more things that I need to do. I think that's not. Rows are closed. What the hell does this mean, like? Log dot print ln. In the second if. Okay. Row scan. Man, I don't know. I don't have any clue. Let's see. Golang database rows are closed. The good and old Google. What's the AI? So the next function already calls the closed function because it reaches the end. If I not okay, maybe maybe the problem is the where. I I I don't think the insert. I don't need the. I don't think the insert is working because let's see my implementation right here. DB query RDB. What the hell? Ah, repository. Okay. db.query. Oh shit. What a shame. Huh? Oh shit. It still don't work. Search on error. if insertion error mm, okay, I'll return only the error. What is this? Expected Boolean expression for assignment. Oh shit. I don't know to do this. I can only do that. Insert error dot error. Okay. Let's see the insertion error right here. Ah, okay. It's the ID problem. I need to convert this to a string. Now this will work. Shit. Invalid byte sequence for encoding UTF-8. URL. This is the old function that worked. So URL UID. I called it and what the hell? Let's see if doing this will work. Because if it works, we'll have some big troubles in here. Oh shit, that worked. I don't know why, but I need to change my ID function. Okay, let's do this tomorrow and see what happens. String Marshall ID times scan value. I think sorry. I think the toString function is wrong. I don't know if this is the right way to do this. I created a little trick. Hmm. Yeah. So I'll try to implement this tomorrow. I need to fix my unit ID test because this is the wrong the wrong functionality. But today, but that's it. I'll finish this video by here, and tomorrow I'll be back to try more things, you know. So goodbye. See you later.